Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this really cool device, Makita DLM330Z 18-volt lithium-ion LXT lawn mower. Batteries and charger are not included, so you have to buy that rest separately. Of course, on the market you can buy this in a set if you like. First, what is a lawn mower? A grass cutter or simply a mower or a lawnmower is a device utilizing one or more level-lowering blades or a reel to cut a grass surface to an even height. The height of the cutting grass may be fixed by the mower's design, but generally is adjustable by the operator, typically by a single master lever or by a mechanism on each of the machine's wheels. The blades may be powered by manual force, with wheels mechanically connected to the cutting blades, though the blades spin when the mower is pushed forward. Or the machine may have a battery-powered or plug-in electric motor. The most commonly self-contained power sources of the lawn mowers is a small four-stroke, typical one-cylinder, internal combustion engine. Small mowers often lack any form of self-propulsion, requiring human power to move over a surface. Walk-behind mowers are self-propelled, require the human only a walk behind a guided dam. Larger lawnmowers are usually either self-propelled walking behind types, or more often a ride-on mowers that the operator can sit on the control. A routing lawnmower or a lawn mowing bot or a mowbot, etc., is designed to operate either entirely on its own or less commonly by an operator on a remote control. And these are all the big typical kinds of the lawn mowers. But here it comes. This is the Makita DLM330Z. It is operated by a battery. The 18-volt lithium-ion LXT battery packs, which is compatible with thousands and thousands of Makita products worldwide. And if you have such a battery, because you own a drill of Makita, for example, then this lawnmower can handle this battery pack. And then that means you will need a battery and a charger, which is already at your home, for example, because you're a big workman or something else. And then it comes here with a 30mm cutting wide, 2-tooth blade for both mowing and mulching, 3-in-1 for cutting, collection, and mulching, handle height adjustment in 3 stages, 8 cutting heights adjustable with one handle from 20mm up to 75, and with plastic cutting deck, 4-dimensional handle for storage and easy transport, instant startup, battery capacity 1 lamp. So this is the beginning. This is a beginner's lawnmower or for small gardens. The DLM330Z has a plastic cutting deck and a steel sleeve for holding the rear wheel axle for increasable durability. The plastic top plus cloth, a 30-liter capacity grass catcher with a grass level indicator and a carry handle. The handle is folded to storage and easy transport. The DLM330Z features a child lock key, a battery capacity warning lamp, and instant startup. We simply insert one 18-volt lithium-ion LXT slide type battery, which is not included, and the lawnmower is ready to use. The DLM33OC is not compatible with the G-series batteries. Oh, take care of it. The Makita DLM33OD 18-volt lithium-ion LXT lawnmower batteries are good for them, and if you have a big garden, maybe you will need 2 of them. It is a cordless lawnmower with 330mm cutting wide for optimal use in a home where the ability to turn in a small radius is required, and powered by the 18-volt lithium-ion LXT side-type battery with a soft start for a smoother startup to deliver up to 450 watts maximum output and 4,300 RPM. The DLM33OZ is a 3-in-1 lawnmower for cutting, collecting, and mulching. And it is equipped with a 2-tooth blade for moving and mulching. We have a lock off, a lock on switch. Easy to operate the handle lock levers. Each side of the handle can be locked and unlocked with just a single action without the tool. We have 8 cutting heights, adjustable by the handle from 20mm up to 75mm. And of course, an electric brake for increased operator safety, baby. This all brings us this Makita device. You saw it's easy to attach and assemble this, and of course you can make good job in small garden areas. This is cool, and this is for beginners. This is the Makita DLM33OZ 18-watt lithium-ion LXT lawn mower. Batteries and charger are not included, so you have to buy them separately. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!